Hello everyone. Today we're going to see Stack Overflow reputation levels. So people ask, how do they work, and how do those things help me, or as a person who's using the site, how do you benefit in those what they call reputation? So let's go straight here on say Firefox, yes. And you can go and say Stack Overflow. Yes, we're in. So you can see this account, it has 1,445. So simply means this guy, there are things he can do and there are things he can't do. So his next level is gonna be for 1,500 what points. So that gonna put him on another level. So okay, let's say like you don't have anything, like let's try to find somebody here. Let's see this user. Who's this user? Like this user has only one. This user cannot downvote. Like I did downvote him, but I'm gonna cancel that. So this user cannot downvote. So the more points you have here, the more power to do things. So this guy cannot downvote, cannot also upvote. He can't vote for a question. He cannot downvote for a question. So he has at least to get something like 10 plus to manage to upvote somebody. Okay, so it simply means the more you get, the more power you get, the more access you get also to some stuff. So let me go straight here. There's this page I saved for you guys. You're gonna go to Stack Overflow, stackoverflow.com/help/privileges. They do explain everything. You see, they tell you that if you have 25,000, it means you have access to site analytics. So site analytics means that they will show you the traffic, how many people they get a month, a day, a week, whatever stuff like that. So this is what simply means. So if we click here, it can explain to you. Say people who run websites use data about how the site is used to make informed decisions. So they say, since our sites are community run, we give the most engaged users special access to some of the data we collect once you earn the privilege. So this means anybody who doesn't have, or somebody who's below 25,000 points, it means that person cannot access this data. You can visit this site, which is called site. Then let's click here to explore site statistics in 2 tabs. So if I click there, it says this page requires more privileges. So simply means we cannot view that because this guy doesn't have 25,000. So the page you are trying to visit requires the privilege access to site analytics. So you receive additional privileges on Stack Overflow by earning more reputation through participation on the site. When you have earned at least 25 reputation, that we can make it maybe 25 points, you can understand it easily, you will receive the access to site analytics privileges